Hey everybody, welcome to Kanisha's channel. Make sure you subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to paint your face. Hey guys, look what my plug man brought through today. I'm going to paint my face here with my magic wand. Wow, look at me. I look so good, but I look sleepy. I wonder if I watch Netflix all day. Oh, wow, am I falling asleep? Oh no, was that cocaine powder sugar? Look at that. Oh, everybody you can find this stick at Walmart, Kmart, or maybe Victoria's Secret too. Bam! Look at that. Again, what is that? I wonder who she's talking to. Wow, see, going around the circles, cover all the black eyes from not sleeping all night. Thinking about the caffeine. My baby, look at that. Oh, it looked like she got punched in the face. A red eye, really? I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Hey guys, look at this. I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow in, starting from the corner, work through my eyes. Maybe I hope nobody sees that I didn't sleep last night, even though I'm falling asleep right now. Then I'm gonna go the other eye and blend it in a little bit. Ooh, look at me. Bam! See? Oh, how delicious. I'm gonna use this other palette thing, and I'm gonna use that one right there. Yes, that one, and that one. That one's the one I like. Nobody ever sees me, especially when I'm sleeping. I'm gonna use this other magic one. Oh, see, go in nice, blend it in, make a little bit, just a little bit. It's a little bit, too much, I'm good. Oh, and right there. Then I'm gonna go this other eye. See that black eye? Ooh, Netflix did me something else. Right there, and a little bit right here. And dang, I look good. Guys, I'm gonna go in here with this red Bloody Mary around my eyes. It looks like tomato juice a little bit, but don't you worry, I'm gonna show you how to blend that in a little bit. And I'm gonna take it just a little bit. Ooh, yes, just like that. You just wanna make sure you don't go in too much, because your co-worker might start wondering why you're covering that little black eye. Just a little bit like that. This side, just don't look like a vampire, but you're good. Oh, I'm gonna use this other thing. Yeah, that one. I don't know what it's called, but it looks good to me. I'm gonna go there. Oh, yeah. Oh, I guess you didn't like the red. Sit there. Oh, you blend with something else. I don't know what that looks like. A little creamy white or something like that. Now look at that other eye. So sleepy. Hey guys, next thing, I'm just gonna paint my eyebrows a little bit here, even though they look like the size of a quarter. I make sure to line it up a little bit. Should look like a little bit, just right there. Even though I'm missing a couple hairs around the side there, I'm just gonna paint this in like that. Yes. Ooh, look at me. Yeah, I think I went too far. I might look like I have a unibrow, but oh well. Oh, look at that. Oh, and this side, make sure you go in a little bit. Yeah, this pencil, I don't know what it's called. It might be that point too you use on your ACT or something like that, but it look good. Even though I failed my ACT, I got a 12. Oh, look at that. Oh, I got this toothbrush kind of thing. Make your eyebrows look good. Yeah, like that. Now you can make sure you clean out the unibrow a little bit. You paint it with this other thing, this different color right here. Yes, just like that. Yeah. Oh, like that. Like you just look like a warrior. You're going to battle now. Got this. Yes. Must be face paint 101 today. Look at that. Yes, like that. And you can make. Oh, you can draw a star right there in the middle. It's like that. Ooh, I look good. Guys, here, like every good construction worker, man, make sure the foundation is good. Ooh, without that foundation, I tell you, the house gonna crumple in. This face right here, definitely that sleep did a little magic train wreck on it. Oh, just like that, you know, the plaster, make sure it's good. Oh, wait. Didn't bring the right tools today. Gotta go again. And see, oh, let's try again. Oh, just like that. Ooh, you make sure you blend it in, you smooth out that little concrete face like that. Ooh, now nobody ever knows that I stay up all night. Let's go, keep going, it's like that. Oh, now you take the little smooth plaster, just run it through right there, like that. Oh, you smooth out the edges, yeah, look them corners a little bit. Yeah, not too much, just a little bit. Just make sure nice and smooth. Oh, look at me. Go and go this other side of the eye. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yes, just like that. Smooth it in. Nice. Just don't touch the red. If you do, that's fine. You can wipe it out. I'm gonna use this little dishwasher sponge that I crumpled up last night. Let it dry a little bit. Oh yeah, take the little edge. Yeah, and decide. I hope it's not the one that I washed the pot with, but he'll do good. Just a little bit like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I feel a little bit of the scrub from the pot, but it's all good. It's gonna work it in. Oh, just like that. Just make sure my chin is good. Ooh. Oh, look at me. Yeah, I just got a little bit on my lips, but don't worry. I'm just gonna clean it up later. I'm gonna paint my face here a little bit. Oh, definitely look like a little African tribe signs. I wonder which tribe I belong to. Oh, damn, I'm gonna walk a little my jawbone a little bit like that. Oh, it's like that. I look like a little Eskimo kid, but it's all good. Don't worry, my brain blank just a little bit. Oh, look at me. Oh yeah, blow them kisses back. Oh, just like that. Take a little brush, just blend a little bit the corner. You know, just a little good chef in the kitchen. Just whisk it like that. Oh, ooh, look at that jawbone. Looking mighty fine, ain't it? Oh, just like that. Just like that. Oh, look at me. Ka-chow. I can go up top here. You know, we're gonna shine a little bit. Oh, look at that forehead now. So shiny. Woo! Oh, just like that. Oh, now you gotta polish it a little bit, just like that. Just a little touch, Ooh, ooh,
you never know what's around the next corner.
Ooh, like a good little construction worker, you gotta make sure your little concrete's dry before you start putting out a little bit of shit rock or whatever you got. Take this a little bit, powder a little bit. I'll put in the face like that. Oh, pow! Just like I smooth it in. Just dry all that, let it die soak in. It's like that. Just don't snort it a little bit. You might get high, but that's okay. Ooh wee. Look at my face. Okay, take a little bit here. Yeah, that little toothbrush, just a bit like that. Make sure your little nose line is good. Make sure it don't look too big. Yeah, now make sure once that powder is all gone, make sure you sweep it up a little bit so nobody finds the evidence. Just a little bit under the rag, just like that. Okay, just like that. Oh, look at me. Oh, I look good. Nobody knows that I didn't sleep at all. Oh, okay, now we're gonna make sure a little bit, just so we highlight these little areas just like that. Wow, shine up just a little bit. Ooh, like the black, just make a little bit shine. Ooh, run that brush just like that. Ooh, nice, just not too hard, just a little bit easy. Ooh, look at that shine. Oh, ka-chow. I'm gonna go up on the lips a little bit, just like that. Ooh, look at that shiny. Ooh, now we're up there. Up. Yes, down there, just shining nice and slow, Ooh, look at me, I'm so shiny. Oh, yes, I love it. Yeah, look at me. I didn't sleep last night, but I look mighty fine. Ain't nobody know that. I just painted my face, snorted some cocaine a little bit, and now I look like just a regular old gal. Like I didn't do all that cocaine. Hey everybody, thank you, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Enjoy.
You never know what's around